Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is lava coming off of Mount Etna in Catania, Sicily. I cannot believe this shit. That is fucking lava. Now I am safe, apparently. Oh shit, it's more now. Why did I said I'm safe? No, apparently I am. It was doing this morning, and this is like, happens a lot. This is literally, it looks a lot worse than it is, I've been told. This is the equivalent of like a 3 or a 4.0 earthquake. It has to be like equivalent of an 8 or 9 to totally destroy everything around me and myself. These people here are reacting just like people do in LA with earthquakes. They don't even care because it happens so much. Look at this. Jesus Christ. I can smell it. I literally can smell the smoke in the air. I can smell it. Wow, this is just incredible. Oh my God. This is insane. I've never seen anything like this ever. There aren't any volcanoes in the United States. Only Mount St. Helens, and that erupted way too short time ago in the 80s for there to be any chance of a serious eruption again anytime soon. What? It's crazy. It's crazy. Yes. She said beautiful Etna. Oh my God. Wow. Holy crap.